Hey everyone, so this is Chandan here, and today I'm going to discuss about the benefit of speaking slowly. Why it is so important to us to speak slowly, right? Today I'm going to pointing few tremendous benefit. If you do this on regular basis, you must get a lot of benefit, damn sure. The first benefit are you going to receive that if you speak slowly, your mind will be working nicely. You do mistake very less. If you speak slowly, you are not going to get confused while speaking with anyone. Because I did a lot of time and I do still. Whenever you speak so smooth, so politely, in a very slow balance, so that you can consider all the matters in a right way. Mostly the people are in a hurry because they don't know how to speak slowly. They as a consider if I'll speak fastly means I will be looking fluent in English. So this is not a right what you consider as speaking slowly. It's very important to you and to others as well. Suppose are you speaking something, right? And other people are not able to perceive your statement. So think what will happen then? You're wasting over your time. You're totally wasting of your time over speaking any matter because people are not able to understand you. So speaking slowly it's so important to you and to others as well. Going through this slow way, you are going to utilize your vocabulary as well, and you can rectify your mistakes because slowly you can focus into a multiple areas which is so important to you, right? And if you're speaking slowly, it doesn't mean like you're weak in English. No, it doesn't mean. Slow balance will maintain your fluency. Okay. Have you ever noticed on any tutor? Whenever any tutor starts speaking with their student, so they are speaking very slowly with the balance, so that their student can perceive gradually what they are speaking to them, right? And just consider one thing: if the people are coming from scratch, they know nothing about anything. At the first time they are listening of your content, right? And you speak very fast. So what will happen then? What will happen? It goes out of their mind. They will never understand anything of yours, what you have spoken with any person, right? So speaking slowly is so important. And one thing always remember, like if you speak slowly, so you can focus on your grammar as well, right? And what I think, you can maintain your energy level as well, right? Because while speaking very fastly, you lost your energy as well, right? Your strength, right? You are going to become frustrated internally because you are going to lose your energy, right? Whenever we start speaking on any matter, in that situation we are putting our 100% efforts in order to create any statement relevant of that situations, right? So in that situations, if you are speaking slowly, so your energy will be maintained, right? And you are not feeling exhausted from inside, right? And it's obvious things if you are maintaining your energy in a good way, so your smiley will be maintained over your face, because after getting exhausting, right, from inside, our anxiety will be reflected over our face. right? So many effect we are going to have, many effect is starting, visible over our face due to that reasons. So that's why I'm telling you, speaking slowly is so important to all of you. So speak slowly. I remember when at my beginnings, when I started learning in that situation, I often speak with the people much more hour, you can say, because it was possible because I spoke very slowly. I maintained my energy. I didn't feel tired. People were considering how I'm able to speak with any people for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour simultaneously. They didn't know like how I used to speak very slowly that time. And that was my secret to maintain my energy level and my interest as well. Because I didn't feel frustrated from inside. I didn't feel exhausting. Right. So means I'm going to tell you, like, if you speak slowly, you're going to get multiple benefits. Suppose you learned out new vocabulary, right? And you are not able to recalling all of them on the spot. So if you slowly speak with any person in that situation, you are going to get proper time to focus over all vocabulary what you learn. And it's obvious things if you speak slowly, so you can adjust new vocabulary in a sentence as well, right? And apart from, you're going to focus over your mistake as well. Like mostly the people are making a lot of mistake while speaking with people. In that situation, you can rectify your mistake because you are in a slow mode. So your mind will be working and you can rectify your mistake as well. Because in a hurry way, if you speak, your mind doesn't focus that much, part which is so important for you to improve out, right? So that's why speaking slowly is very important, and you're going to get a lot of benefit. People can understand you very well, right? And accordingly your fluency will be maintained, right? And your expression will be maintained because of speaking slowly, right? So mean to say that that's why I'm telling you, like, it's very important, right? I do, and I always suggest to people also should be, do this, okay? Because you know very well, if I am highlighting some people, like some of tutors who are coming from English Yari, Clappingo, English Talkie, many online platform, right? These people are speaking very slowly because they know if I'll speak slow, so my learner can perceive what I speak to them, right? Because speaking fastly, it's not enough for us to highlighting, to indicating I'm very fluent in, right? No, it's not our mission. Our mission is only to understand somebody, what we are speaking. If the people are not understanding us, means we are wasting of time only. Nothing we are going to get, right? So that's why it is so important. And one thing you always remember, like generally we are discussing with our family, with our colleagues in our day-to-day life discussions. So in that situation also we are talking very slowly in a medium balance. Why? Because we know there's no need to go with the fast, right? Because we are going to discuss on two matters, and explaining them, understanding them, it's our first priority, right? So we have to, take an example from our day-to-day life activities and try to implement same, so that we can reach better level of speaking. Okay, because after acquiring the more and more knowledges in this speaking English, it's obvious things you're going to be the master in very less period of time, right? And you're not going to be confused a lot, because your mind will be working because of your slow speaking. Okay, so these are the simple steps and methods what I mentioned here. Hope you will be following so that you can reach at your destiny as soon as possible.